This is a video at the Rao residence. It's a Goodman 100,000 BTU furnace with a 3-ton Goodman coil. The coil's 11 years old, so probably be a good idea to replace its 3/4, 3/8 suction liquid line. Furnace is vented with 2-inch PVC and combustion air inlet 2-inch PVC goes out the sidewall to the back. And got a 1/2-inch gas line coming in with the gas valve handle valve on it. Drop duct to return coming into a 16 by 25 filter. And we've got a condensate drain that goes actually down through the slab. So I don't know, there's a plugged floor drain, it looks like there. So has a humidifier on the side on the trunk line, two 16 by 20 or 8 by 16 trunk lines taking off. Should be enough airflow.